We can see the bad lining is a part of the aura of this video because this is a damn mystery package. I thought it was my make, but my make's not supposed to get here till Monday, and it says, like, well, this is the Wet n Wild Pacman Collected Review, and they sent me, oh, I guess I was logged into the website when I ordered this. Oh, so, Pacman. Everyone knows what Pacman is. Everyone's been like, I'm such a big fan of Pacman. But I really genuinely am such a big fan of Pacman. Because, you know, I had this Namco collection for the DS, and I had this Namco collection on a plug and play. So I got the blush separately at an Ulta because the lighting. I got this blush separately at an Ulta because I needed the blush for sure. I didn't get the whole collection. I got a couple different things because most of the things in the collection, I either have something really similar to it or I just am not interested in it. So basically, I'm a bit of a gamer. Ghost glosses were not accurate to the like actual ghosts, but I think that's because they already have colors released that are just like the ghost. Like their Boo Blue is just like inky. That they have, what is this, Terrifying Tangerine is Clyde. Then they have a red for, oh, there's a huge bug in here. This to Nudist Peach. Okay, it's a little bit more orange / darker. So this one Clyde, that one Nudist Peach. It was a little pricey, but I don't think it's necessarily pricey. It was like, everything was about $1 more than usual Wet n Wild prices. And I'm pretty sure that's because it's a licensed collection, so that extra money that they charge for these items probably goes straight to Namco. I got the powder brush and not the eyeshadow brush because, one, I'm getting it for the gimmick and I already have several eyeshadow brushes, and two, then I remembered this is dope. Okay, let me stop talking about why I got things. This is the powder brush. Cruelty-free and vegan brush. There's been some controversy over whether they're actually cruelty-free because they sell items in China, but I'm pretty sure items that are manufactured in Hong Kong or sold near Hong Kong are like, I don't think very much actual research has gone into it. I think people just want to go, oh, cancel this brand, even though they were doing cruelty-free before. Like, of the packaging, I might keep this little card. Oh, I might keep the whole box. I don't know. Oh, this is actually so soft. Mild, it says right there, so, well, you can't see it. Oh, there it is. And then the best part, they're little Pac-Mans chasing little dots in the confetti. I love that. That's why I got it basically for the gimmick. Is Clyde. The lip gloss. We're moving on. We'll test the powder. Everyone also keeps asking about, like, please restock these. And it's like, it's limited edition. Like, that's the whole point, is it's limited edition. So they're probably not gonna restock them much. People have said actual really bad things about the Clyde one. But I needed it for the color. Not look that bad. It looks like lip gloss. I don't know what. It's patchy. Like, it's a lip gloss. It's not lipstick. I'm doing a full look Because I don't have like the eyeshadow palette or anything, so it kind of feels stupid to do like a full look. I'm gonna be so mad when I have to edit myself opening this package. Why is this so hard to open? Wet n Wild. Okay, packaging. I'm about to downgrade your packaging, even though your packaging is part of the collection. Okay, she opened. We'll swatch these little things. Oh, that's softer than I was expecting. Oh, this would be like a cute highlighter too. Okay, we'll do this. Cute. They're pretty diverse. One's like a shiny orangey-ish pink. I guess that's a peach color. It's a sparkly peach. This one's like a matte orange. This one's like a... I think these could even be like highlighter shades. Blush on the face. I don't have a mirror and I can't see out of my camera because it's too dark in here. So we're gonna... Oh, I don't want to get this dirty this quick. But we gotta do it for the video. It's so soft. Okay, we'll use this one because this is the one I'm planning to use the most. As a blush. Do the powder brush. And it's picking up a bit. Okay, it's not like flying off, so... Okay, it kicked a little bit there. I don't know how much I'm putting on. I'm just gonna take it off in like 2 seconds. We'll move into better lighting in a second. Huh? That literally looks fine on its own, actually. It's price, a little bit pricey for Wet n Wild makeup. However, still not like bank breaking, and you gotta keep into consideration that it is a licensed collection. It's really not that bad. So price gets a 5 out of 5. I'm not doing the 8 out of 8 this time because that took way too many layers to edit. Packaging. Packaging? Adorable, look at it. However, it was so hard to open that blush, and I'm sure the eyeshadow palette is just the same. So I'm getting packaging a 4.5 out of 5. And one, it's not entirely accurate to shipping. 5 out of 5. I got this on the 9th, and it's the 12th. I'll say overall collection that gets 4.8 out of 5 stars. 1 as an average and 2 as like the products were all pretty good, but some of them didn't really scream Pacman to me. Noda. Bye. Subscribe. See you later, all you haters.